What are the Mudae Bot commands? How to use them? Mudae Bot is a Discord bot that allows users to collect and trade over 95,000 anime and gaming characters. Users can roll characters using commands such as $waifu, $husbando, $WG, and $HG. Users can also marry their favorite characters and customize their profile and collection. Some of the other commands that Mudae Bot offers are, $mymarry, shows your harem of married characters. $infomarry, shows information about a married character. $top, shows the ranking of users based on their number of married characters. $wish, adds a character to your wish list. $wishlist, shows your wish list of characters. $profile, shows your profile with your badges, kakara, and likes. $badge, changes your badge to one of your married characters. $daily, gives you a daily bonus of kakara. $rolls, shows how many rolls you have left. $vote, gives you a link to vote for Mudae Bot on top.gg and get extra rolls. Mudae is a Discord bot that allows users to collect and marry anime and video game characters. It has a wide variety of commands, sorry for any repeated command, including, $add a character to your collection. $claim, claim a character that has been rolled. $divorce, divorce your current spouse. marry a character. $pray, pray for a character to be rolled. roll for a character. search for a character. Set a custom command. $stats, view your collection stats. unmarry your current spouse. wish for a character to be added to the pool. These are just a few of the many commands that Mudae has. For a complete list of commands, please visit the Mudae Wiki, https://mudae.fandom.com/wiki/commands. Here are some additional commands. Sorry, again, for any repeated command, that you may find useful, $help, displays this help message. $info, displays information about a character. $invite, invites Mudae to your server. $lang, changes the language of Mudae. $prefix, changes the prefix that is used to invoke Mudae commands. $toggle buttons, toggles the use of buttons on rolls. $toggle silent, toggles the silence of Mudae when it is unable to respond to a command. $vote, votes for Mudae on top.gg. $Patreon, donates to Mudae's Patreon. $myad, displays your Discord user ID. $date, displays the current date. For a full list of commands, you can visit the Mudae Wiki or use the $help or $channel help commands in Discord. You can also use the $search or /command search commands to look up specific commands. Bonus, here are all the Mudae commands you need to know. Waifu roulette, harem arrangement and customization, search, user customization, custom characters, utility, moderation, server options, kakara and keys, bot utility, multiplayer games. Source, 1, list of commands Mudae Wiki fandom. https://mudae.fandom.com/wiki/list_of_commands. 2, add Mudae Discord bot the number 1 Discord bot list, top.gg. https://top.gg/bot/4326102923425873992. 3, keys Mudae Wiki fandom. https://mudae.fandom.com/wiki/keys.